Welcome to Rio Salado College. This is part 2 of the video series on how to register for dual enrollment classes. I'm your virtual assistant Rosa, and I'll take you through the next steps in the enrollment process. The next step is to complete your enrollment tasks. This includes uploading identification documents for verification. ID documents include a high school ID, birth certificate, government-issued ID, and/or a valid U.S. passport. You have 45 minutes to complete this section, so please gather your ID documents to have them ready. If you are continuing the enrollment process from the first video, you should see the screen for next steps. If you do not see the screen, go to riosalado.edu/dual. Then scroll down and click on the Enrollment and Registration box. Next, click on Step 1, and then scroll down and click on All-in-One Enrollment Requirements form. Let's start with the Submit Your Photo ID section. Complete the required fields under Student Information. Remember to select Rio Salado College as your primary college. Then scroll down. From the Identification Type drop-down menu, select which ID documents you will be uploading. Follow the instructions on how to upload and attach them. When you are finished, click Next. Complete the college readiness and course placement screen. Scroll down and select your high school grade level, and then select the option for how you will be submitting your placement information. When you have finished, click Next to continue. On the next screen, complete the student consent form. Select Yes on both the FERPA release and the Register by Proxy consent drop-down menus. Proxy access allows parents or legal guardians to register students in dual enrollment courses on the student's behalf. Scroll down. At the Create a PIN field, you can use the same 4-digit PIN you created earlier for FERPA. Click Next when done. Complete the parent or legal guardian consent form. Then scroll down to the Consent to Call or Text section. Review and complete the acknowledgements. When finished, click Next. Complete the course pre-approval form. Choose your current grade level and enter your expected graduation date. Scroll to the bottom. You will see the question I need to request courses at a second Maricopa college. If you are taking dual enrollment courses at multiple Maricopa colleges, select Yes. If not, select No. Click Next to continue. Complete the electronic signature screen and then click the Sign Electronically button. Please note that depending on volume, it can take Rio Salado College a few days to process your documentation and verify your identity. Please wait 3 to 5 days before continuing on to the next step. Our next video will guide you through registering for classes.